Many companies rely on technology to keep operations running smoothly. However, using consumer-grade hardware in a business environment can lead to serious risks that could compromise efficiency, security, and reliability. Limited durability. Consumer-grade hardware is designed for personal use, not for the demands of a business environment. These devices often lack the durability to handle heavy workloads or operate continuously. Over time, they can fail prematurely, leading to increased downtime and unexpected replacement costs. Security vulnerabilities. Unlike business-grade hardware, consumer devices often lack the security features needed to protect sensitive data. They may not support advanced security protocols or regular firmware updates, leaving your business exposed to cyber attacks and data breaches. This can be especially concerning in industries with strict compliance requirements. Lack of support and scalability. Consumer devices typically don't offer the same level of technical support as business-grade solutions. When issues arise, it can take longer to resolve them, disrupting productivity. Additionally, consumer hardware often lacks the ability to scale with your business, forcing you to replace or upgrade sooner than expected. Reduced performance. Consumer-grade hardware is designed for light, occasional use and often struggles to perform under the heavier workloads typical in business settings. Tasks like running multiple applications, handling large amounts of data, or supporting a team of users can quickly overwhelm these devices, leading to slower performance, frequent crashes, and lost productivity. Using the right hardware for your business is essential for maintaining efficiency, protecting sensitive information, and supporting growth. If you're unsure whether your current technology is up to the task, give our team a call. We're happy to help.